Hey there, my wonderful architecture wizards. Welcome to day 50, the grand finale of the 50 Days Software Architecture class. We did it. 50 days. 50 deep, practical lessons. From the very first definitions of software architecture all the way to quantum computing and career strategies. Today is not just a recap. Today is a celebration of your growth, a moment of reflection, and most importantly, the launching pad for your future as a confident, skilled software architect. Over the next few minutes, we'll revisit the most powerful ideas we explored together, extract the timeless lessons, and most importantly, talk about what you should do next. Because this course was never about watching videos, it was always about transforming how you think, design, and build systems. Thank you for being here with me on this incredible journey. Let's make this finale count. Let's start at the beginning. In the first 10 days, we built a rock-solid foundation. We explored what software architecture really is, why it matters, and how great architecture enables scalability, maintainability, and business success. We dove into core principles like modularity, separation of concerns, and the solid principles. We studied architectural styles, monolithic, layered, and event-driven. Then we covered the entire gang of 4 design patterns: creational, structural, and behavioral. These early days taught you how to think like an architect, not just write code, but make intentional, long-term decisions that shape entire systems. These fundamentals are the lens through which you should view every future project. From day 11 to 20, we leveled up dramatically. We explored data management strategies, powerful caching techniques with Redis, security and encryption, performance optimization, scalability patterns, reliability engineering, monitoring with Prometheus and the Elk stack, DevOps practices, and finally, cloud-native architectures with Docker and Kubernetes. These lessons gave you the tools to build production-grade, resilient, and observable systems. You now understand how modern systems are actually built and operated at scale. Days 21 to 30 were pure magic for many of you. We entered the world of domain-driven design, bounded contexts, aggregates, hexagonal architecture, CQRS, event sourcing, and API gateways. We learned how to align software with real business domains, how to keep core logic clean and decoupled, and how to handle complexity in large distributed systems. These patterns are what separate good architects from truly exceptional ones. We then explored front-end and mobile architectures, IoT and edge computing, big data with Hadoop and Spark, machine learning integration, architectural decision records, refactoring legacy systems, testing strategies, deployment techniques like blue-green and canary releases, and finally, cost optimization in the cloud. These days equipped you with practical, real-world skills that companies desperately need right now. In the final stretch, we analyzed real-world giants: Netflix's microservices, Uber's evolution, and Amazon's serverless mastery. We looked at emerging trends: edge computing, blockchain, and even quantum computing. We covered collaborative architecture practices and finished with powerful career advice: skills, certifications, portfolio building, and career acceleration strategies. You now have both technical depth and strategic vision. After 50 days, here are the 7 timeless lessons I want you to carry with you forever. Architecture is about trade-offs, not perfection. Always align technology with business domains. Decoupling is your best friend. Build for evolvability, not just for today. Collaboration and communication are as important as technical skills. Great architects never stop learning. The best way to learn is by building real projects. These 7 principles will guide your entire career if you let them. Now it's your turn. Here are 5 exciting project ideas I strongly recommend you start this month. A full microservices e-commerce platform using DDD and hexagonal architecture. An event-driven system with Kafka and CQRS. A serverless SaaS application on AWS or Azure. A personal knowledge base with modern architecture patterns. A contribution to an open-source project with proper architecture documentation. Pick one and build it. Document your decisions. Share your journey. This is how you become a real architect. This course is not the end of your learning. It's the beginning of your mastery. The real education starts when you apply these concepts in real projects, make mistakes, learn from them, and iterate. You now have the mindset and toolkit of a software architect. The only thing left is action. Start small, stay consistent, and in 6 months, you will be amazed at how far you've come. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you for showing up every day, for learning, for growing with me. This community is special. Keep supporting each other in the comments, share your projects, help fellow wizards. Together, we are building the next generation of great software architects. That's day 50 and the complete 50 days software architecture class. Thank you for joining this journey. If this course added value to your life, please subscribe, like this video, and share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Support us on Buy Me a Coffee. Every contribution helps us create more free, high-quality content. Now go build something incredible. I believe in you. See you in the next adventure, wizards.